probably need to go on the other side, eh? Not on this side.
I hold it. That right to the edge.
Mm-hmm.
That ugly edge over there. Down just a little tiny bit more. There you go.
Do we need the joists?
The hangers?
Hangers or whatever, yeah.
No, we're not going to do that right now. Well, you can't really have a go up to the top of the board. It should be level. Yep. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Check the level.
Good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Went fine.
Like, do it all over, right?
I'm just doing one in the middle.
Okay.
Just so these don't move.
You got this, and you got...
Stay out of the way.
Alright guys, for step one for the day, we got the decking framed out.
Yep. We're gonna probably try to use our own milled wood, right?
Yeah,
Unless we get desperate.
Yeah, well, we did that on the front of our, or on the deck. We did that on the deck of our cabin, and it looked nice. It turned out well.
Every cabin needs a porch, so well, this is critical, and this doesn't cost. I mean, we got nothing. We'll give nothing into the deck. You'll have a few $100 into the deck, and that'll be worth every penny.
What are these called again?
We're calling them ledger boards.
Alright, guys. So Jay is under the cabin here. And we're putting the 2x8s in, right? 2x8s?
Yep.
2x8s in underneath the cabin. That's just going to give the floor more support, which is always a good thing. It's always better to have too much support than not enough.
Which one? Said nail one over here. Just let yours sag a little bit.
Okay.
Push against the post. I'm not lifting yet, so.
Yeah, if I push against it, it'll get that last little bit.
Alright.
Maybe. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get this under here.
Try to push it toward it right now.
I'm not close enough. Like, see? I can...
Here, you do this. I'll crawl underneath the cabin.
Okay.
Not that hard to lift it.
Okay.
A little bit more. Come on. Push, push, push. There you go. Perfect. Go ahead. couple there. One more. All right. Pretty sure all this is doing is weakening everything.
Why?
It's splitting all the board, half the boards.
You got a visitor.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi.
Hi there, Papa Dog. What you doing? You like it under here? Huh? Is it nice and cool under here? What you doing, little turkey dog? Turkey, turkey. I heard your brother. He's coming.
Let's do the last one.
He's coming.
Put that up to the top and nail it. Go out to the edges. Go right to the edge of the board, edge of the cabin.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's like right there. Need a hammer or anything, or?
Cut.
Oh!
Nail gun me. Or something changes. Thank you. Oops. This one's gonna be 9.5. This first strip for this side, okay?
Okay.
And then we need plus 9 inches. So what, 18.5? We're just doing 9 inches on these ones. 27.5. 9.5.
18 and a half,
10.5.
27 and a half,
27.5.
36 and a half. Yep.
You skipped one.
I didn't skip one.
Yes, you did. Because
Mm-mm.
I was going across and you skipped one.
You skipped one.
You're in charge of where we start.
Mm-mm. Not my fault.
Because it's 5. Just tilt it up over there. I'm doing them from inside, I guess. So. Come out. Gotta come out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Looks like it's pretty good. Yeah. All right, what are these for? Tell everybody.
These are our little saddles for holding up our ridge beam, our ridge board. We don't have a beam, we have a ridge board. So one's gonna go on each gable end. This is how we did it with our cabin 4 years ago. I don't know if there's a better way to do it, but I did see someone else do something similar to this years after I did it, so I must have created this.
No.
The other option is like when we did the mud room, we took a 2x8 and we just cut a little slot in it. That should sit right there. The line right there.
The black line, yeah.
The line I just drew.
Well, it's covered by this.
How much? Like it shouldn't be covered. It should be right on the line. Let me see. Yeah, it's right on the line. There we go.
Alright guys, we are gonna get the ridge beam up.
I want to stare at it tonight.
So that way we can make sure we're happy with where it's gonna be and the rafters are gonna lie and all that.
Let's do it.
Supervisors say it's dinner time. Right?
The canine supervisors.
They're the only supervisors around here.
So,
They say it's supper time, so we will be back.
we had a good day, right?
We got the deck framed.
and installed pretty much. We just
Yep.
don't know what we're doing for the deck boards yet.
I want to mill it. What do you guys think? Comment, because it'll be a few weeks before we get to the mill, because we've got to do other stuff, and Jason's got to,
We gotta get rafters, roofing.
yeah. So we'll have
house
enough
wrap.
time between videos. What do you think? Should we buy the wood or mill the wood? I'm on team mill the wood. We haven't used the mill a lot the last couple years, so I'm on team mill.
I would like, if we mill it, to do like real thick 1.5 inch boards, which would look nice. It would look, strong.
We've got a lot of trees in the food plot still that we need to drag out, so
We gotta chop up some firewood out of there too and get those 2 big poplars out of there. Along with that, we replaced our ledger boards underneath the cabin.
made the cabin stronger.
We only had 2x6 under there before, but we have 3 treated 2x8s now that run all the way across, and they're nailed in good, and they're holding our floor joists up better. We did the sheathing last video, but we had to do the rest of the sheathing along the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we got that all done, and then we got the ridge
beam
board,
installed.
ridge beam, ridge board, all put on. So it's pretty exciting. Now we can sit here and stare at it for a minute and see if that's the angle or if we need to make some adjustments, right?
Uh-huh.
If we need to go up a little more, we can, but I don't really want it to be any steeper than it has to be. So I think a standard 412 pitch here is what we did with the barn, and it sheds snow. It like slowly sheds the snow. So that's all that matters, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what else? Are we good?
I think we're good for the day.
So thanks guys for hanging out with us. We appreciate you. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe.
And make sure you check out the first few parts of the build. This will be about part 6 now, I do believe.
And we've been at the YouTube thing for quite a few years now, so we have a ton of other videos about other stuff, solar, gardening,
Water catchment.
Yeah. So
And if you have any questions about anything, drop them below. We do our best to answer them as much as possible.
Yep. And we hope to see you guys in the next video, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Best wishes, guys.